closing remarks. I hate it. Because I don't want us to end this fellowship tonight. And I already called the state police to send 10 to maintain peace and harmonious setting until tomorrow morning. And Senior Pastor Aguapa will serve prayers. Again, my respect, Your Royal Highness. May tomorrow ang Parusa. CRD President delivered the main sermon on Sunday at all. And his topic is God's word never was. His sermon, topic of his sermon is man God uses. I am also my training. Is that correct? Man God uses. In this setting, all we are doing is nothing but thank. In a way, they say mahalo, right? One thing that we have to understand is this. God works miraculously and mysteriously. That was a term of the church at that time. Now he is the senior pastor. You were a senior pastor of JRD in what? Iba. That's it. And now let's look at yourself. Senior pastor, JRD president. Isn't that part of God? Works miraculously and mysteriously. If you will not agree with me, you cannot say no. Senior pastor and JRD president were banging on this expression of God works mysteriously and miraculously. The senior pastor and the entire congregation kept wondering, hoping, and praying that one of these days their paths will cross so that they can personally look you in your ugly face, JRD President now, to say, "Come and why is it that we're here? You still don't agree with what I said about that God works miraculously and mysteriously? Okay, if you don't agree with me, I go back to school. Go back to PTC and attend school. Moving on. My wife was asking, what is the connection? Why is it that Pingalapis and Marshallese are so linked naturally? So I will conclude my remark with this story. And if any of you understand the story, your geography class, you must cover all these. One of the outer islands of Marshall Islands, the name is Pingalap. Am I correct?
Correct. Oh, yeah? Yes.
Yes. One of the outer islands of Marshall Islands, between Pingalap and Marshall Islands, the name is Pingalap. And this is the story. I'm not that old, but I know the story of long time. One Marshallese man came to Pingalap, wanted to marry one of the princes. Maybe agreed to him because he's from the clan princes will only marry the prince. So that Marshallese man, not you, that Marshallese man said, I have to return home with something. I will not return home empty-handed. And you know what he did? He scooped at where the airport is, the airstrip, the sand there, he scooped up and full of sand, returned home not empty-handed. On his way, the wind, strong wind, hit him hard between Pinelab and Marshall Islands, and he let go of the because the wind is cramping it to make sure that he's not going to successfully steal the part of Pinelab. So Pinelab is a very traditionally uplifted, still uphold until as we speak. So the Pinelab king sent that wind caught up with that Marshallese man. Maybe he's doing Nabalat, but not Loya, maybe not Papua, maybe Matau. And that wind hit him hard on the right hand to let that he got hurt and let go of the sand. Let go of the sand. And that sand fell and made him. Now, my wife will not kill me because now I explain why she was questioning. What is this question link between genealogy or whatever? But this is the story. Now, check out your name of the islands, outer islands of Marshall Islands. Closer to Pinelab this way, one of the outer islands' name is Pinelab. These people are from Pinelab. Back to this, from the legend come to tonight. As the president of MMCM, I thank you, leadership of Man Church. This is my prayers along with the Marshallese visiting you. And the prayer goes like this. May the good Lord shower His abundant blessing upon the church, the members, unceasingly and unfailingly, forever and always. End of the night. Good night.
President, we will conclude with a song from Man Church, and the members also prepared some gifts, so it's a good time to bring in the gifts with a song from our youth choir.